Alright, this is an unboxing of the Oneplus Buds Z. Looks like that. It's easy to remove. No more knife. Cool. So, it's like this. Looks exactly like a Galaxy Buds, kinda. Then the accessories are manual and charger cable. It's really short, not that long. What's in here? Oh, the earbud inserts. Like this. They're nice and light. So yeah, that's what they look like. I gotta look at the features. Yeah, I'll just talk about the features later. In the next video. This is an unboxing, so, and then the cables are here. That's about it. It's really short and sweet. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. So we have the Galaxy Buds here. These are really expensive. They don't sound as nice, and they cut off when you like turn the phone. Like, say a meter, and it cuts off. But I don't have a Samsung phone, so I really can't compare the sound to like a real Samsung phone. These sound amazing on the OnePlus, so OnePlus and OnePlus, and they magnetize pretty quick. Oops, like crazy fast. That's pretty cool. Still weight. They're like the same size almost. So basically, I'm not gonna say it. China knocked off the Samsung, but it's so much better. Sounds better, looks better. It's more clean. It's very similar, except so Samsung owns AKG, and it's red. So Chinese love red, so I bought red. These I have a better shape. I wish they had this sound though. This sounds great compared to this, and it's way cheaper. It's like $60 after taxes. This has a lot. You have to install software, a lot of bloat. This right out of the box sounds really great on the OnePlus. So let's weigh these guys. 54 grams. 51. This is lighter too. So OnePlus makes better products now than Korea. Korea, you're losing. Sorry, Korea, you're not that good anymore. So China's dominating. Shenzhen is more capable. So I'm really impressed. So this is the headphones it looks like when you're wearing them. I'm using myself as a model. Usually I don't use myself as a model, but since I have no one else, I'm using myself. And it looks like that and that. It has no noise cancellation at all, I think. Maybe because of the earpieces are not that noise canceling. But the Buds Plus are noise canceling. These are not. These sound really great. This is like the best sounding earbuds I ever got for Bluetooth. So I highly recommend it. They're like, I think $49.99 plus shipping and tax, like $60. If you get these on Amazon, they're a great deal. They sound the best so far on the OnePlus phone. I haven't tried this on different phones yet for the sound, but I highly recommend it. It's better than the Samsung. Samsung's not worth the 150. It's too hyped up. This is like bang for buck. Like really bang for a buck. It sounds really good and it's really, really like affordable. So I highly, highly recommend it. Because all the other reviewers don't come from like a sound engineering background and they don't hear sound as well as me, or they're just gamers or whatever, tech reviewers. They don't come from that background, so I highly recommend it. They sound great. But I would recommend you like mix audio with it though. But it sounds the most flat and it sounds the most clear out of like all the other earbuds. I tried many different earbuds. These are it. These I like, but they're not perfect. They're not like studio like Bose sounding, you know, Bose speaker ish or Bose can earphones, the big ones that cover your ears. Overall, these are really good. I highly recommend it. Um, so yeah, OnePlus did really good. They kicked Samsung's butt. It kicked probably Apple AirPods butt because of price, because the value is there. I'm not sure if Apple AirPods sound much better because I never got my hands on it to try it, but it's better than the Buds Plus. The Buds Plus are crap. They're total garbage. Even though they're made from AKG, I have my pair right here. I'm probably gonna try to get rid of it on eBay, but after this review, probably no one's gonna buy it if Samsung actually watches my videos. But and the only thing I don't like about the Buds Plus, it cuts out when you like do this with the phone. It cuts out. I don't know why. It just cuts out. But on my OnePlus, I'm not sure if it's better on the Samsung, but there's like on Reddit, it's a known issue. So if it's in your pocket, it cuts out when you walk. It cuts out. I don't know why. These do not cut out. They never cut out on me. Like even on the other wireless ones, the wired one, it didn't cut out. These are great. Like OnePlus is a great company. They make great products. I'm a huge fan. I see why they're number one in India. Um, the only thing is like it's 100% Chinese. Like from R&D to all the way straight down, it's all Chinese. But since like there's like bad stigma around Chinese people, this product's really good. It kicks butt. It's like I don't know. I'm kind of speechless. It's just bang for a buck. It sounds great. Um, has a good battery life. I'm just blown away. So they did really good on this guy. These are even better than this is better than Apple. They're like kicking Apple's butt too, even on phones. So go for it. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to catch you next time. Peace.